Okay children, next we are going to see functions of stem. So let us see what are all the functions of stem. So what the stem will do, the stem will support to the plant, it will give support to the plant. Then it carries water and minerals from the root to the leaves for food. So for this food purpose, so the stem will carries the water and minerals from the roots to leaves. Okay, some underground stems are there. So what are that stem? Some underground stems, it will swollen as they store food. So what are they? Potato, sugar cane and ginger. They are all called underground stem. Then why leaf called the food factory of plant? So why it is called as the food factory of plant? Because leaf is it's a flat and thin part of a plant. We know that it's a flat and thin part of a plant. It is green in color. So because of the presence of chlorophyll, it is in green in color. So now let us see what are all the parts of plant. Parts of leaf. First one is, this is a leaf apex, this is called the side veins, and this is the midrib, and this is the leaf blade and leaf stalk. So these are all the parts of leaf. Okay. Okay children, next one, functions of a leaf. So what are all the functions the leaf will do? Let us see. Manufacture of food. So the first one, manufacture of food, storage of food, interchange of gases. Okay. So what manufacture of food means? The leaf of a plant will produce the food. It will manufacture the food in the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Then storage of food. So storage of food means where the plant will store the food in the form of fruits or vegetables. See here some examples as given. Storage of food within the plant. Cabbage, spinach and coriander are the examples of storage of food in a plant. Then interchange of gases. Interchange of gases during respiration and photosynthesis. Now I will tell you what is respiration and photosynthesis. Okay. Interchange of gas. So in this what it will do? Exchange of gas. So carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay. In the time of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, what the plant will do? It will take the carbon dioxide and release, and it will release the oxygen. Clear? This is photosynthesis. How it is releasing? In the leaf, if you see with the help of microscope, we can able to see the small holes. Okay, that is called stomata. With the help of stomata, the plant will take in the air, the plant will take the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen through stomata, with the help of stomata. Okay, so it will take the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen, that is in the process of photosynthesis. And during respiration, it will take the oxygen, it will take the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. This is respiration. Clear student? This is called interchange of gases. So in this process, it will exchange the gas. During photosynthesis, the leaf, the stomata will help the plant to take in the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen, and during respiration the stomata will help the plant to take in the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Okay children, this is the function of a leaf. Clear? How do plants prepare their food? So by the process of photosynthesis. So by this process the plant will prepare the food. Say photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a Greek word. Okay, it is a Greek word. Photo means light. Synthesis means putting together. Light putting together. So this is called the photosynthesis. Now let us see what is photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, yes, most of the many plants in the sunlight only. Without sunlight the plant will not grow. So in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, minerals, water. So the plant need these three. From where it will need? Through the stomata. I told you know stomata, about stomata. Through the stomata it will get the carbon dioxide, okay, and release oxygen. It will release the oxygen. Through stomata the plant will take the carbon dioxide, then it will release oxygen. That is one process. Another thing, minerals and water. So minerals and water, so this two will take from the root. Okay, so from the root, from the sunlight it will take from the air it will take the carbon dioxide and it will release the oxygen, and from the root it will take the minerals and water. So this process is called as photosynthesis. Okay, so by this process it will prepare the food. Then some plants produce food in the form of sugar. Okay children, so this is called photosynthesis.